How to transfer data from iCloud to Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to transfer your data from iCloud to Android, what you can do is you can open up an Android device and then open up iCloud here. For that, you'll need to go to Google Chrome or any web browser and search for iCloud login. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on the first link. Now what you need to do is you'll need to sign in into your Apple account. So put in your Apple account email or phone number and then sign in with your password, and here you'll get access of your iCloud on your Android through this website. And now you can transfer all the data here by downloading it or by accessing it from here. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.